Good morning, everyone. This morning I will discuss all about the global coagulation assay. Thromboelastography, or the TAG 5000 and the TAG 6S, and its more recent modification, the ROTEM, or the rotational thromboelastometry, have their beginning in 1940s as one of the origin assay to assess the hemostatic status of the patients. So the TAG and the ROTEM, these are the global whole blood analyzer that measure clotting time and the dynamics of clot formation and dissolution as affected by the kinetics of the thrombin generation, the platelet activation, the fibrin generation, the clot strength, the clot stability, and the inhibitory effects on any aspect. So the tag in the RUTEM, it is mainly used in liver surgery, cardiac surgery, and trauma. Thromboelastography, or the TAG. So their principle is to detect and quantify dynamic changes of the viscoelastic properties of a blood sample during clot formation under low shear. So this is the TAG 5000 and this is the TAG 6S. The TAG 5000, it is widely used for viscoelastic testing. It uses a cup and pin mechanism to measure the elastic motion of whole blood clot formation. While the TAG 6S, it is a new generation of thromboelastography, assesses blood viscoelastic properties by the resonance technology. It is performed in microfluidic cartridges designed for simultaneous performance of multiple TAG assay. So prepare the blood for the TAG 6S system. It's so simple. No need for controlled pipetting or prior manipulation of reagents. So the only requirements is to transfer a small unmetered amount of blood to the loaded cartridge from a sample tube with citrate or heparin. Next is the ROTEM, or the rotational thromboelastometry. So their principle is signal generated by the suspended pin is transmitted via optical detection system instead of a torsion wire, and movement is generated by the pin, not the cup. So the tag uses cup, diba? So while the ROTEM is uh, transmitted via optical detections, and it is generated by the pin, not the cup. So the routine Sigma, it is an easy-to-use cartridge-based thromboelastometry system that delivers rapid results at the point of care, providing guidance in bleeding management. It used to assess clinical significant bleeding situations in cardiac surgery or in the liver transplantation. So the routine thermograms provide clear, real-time information, helping the clinicians to optimize hemostasis while minimizing blood loss and blood product exposure. So the key goals of the patient blood management program. So the routine Sigma has two cartridges. First is the routine Sigma Complete. This is the cartridge that discriminates between the hyperfibrinolysis and platelet-mediated clot retraction, or the factor 13 deficiency, and provides in vitro assessment of antifibrinolytic drug effect. And the second one is the routine Sigma Complete plus so the heparin. So this is detects heparin and heparin-like substances. Thrombin generation assay. So generation assay are the global assay measuring the dynamics of blood coagulation process beyond endpoint assays. It helps to better categorize the physiologic mechanism of hemostasis and to better assist bleeding risk, thrombotic risk, and their modification by hemostatic or thrombotic agents. Thrombin generation assay have evolved from early research methods in 1950s to elaborate the qualified robot-assisted analytical instrument-based methods of today. So the TGA have proven an assay predicting pre-crisis changes in both thrombotic and bleeding situations, and those are widely used in research and clinical practices. The assay system that assists the thrombin generation, such as the calibrated automated topgram and the technothrombin. So these two have been developed under investigation of their clinical utility. The system measures the phase kinetic of the thrombin generation from initiation and peak generation through the degradation and inactivation. So this is the end of my report. So thank you. Thank you for listening and God bless.